Hey, what's up YouTube? Triple Tapper here. I'm going to show you guys a quick little how-to video. I'm going to show you how to change out the flushing handle on a toilet. If we can take a look down in here, you'll see that mine has broken. And when it does that, of course, damn toilet won't flush. So obviously I've already taken the lid off. So here's what we're going to do. There's a little chain right here that hooks onto this piece. This is just a plastic piece, and I'm just going to, I'm just going to kind of clip it on this to kind of get it out of the way there. And I'm going to remove this old broken plastic piece and just kind of toss it in the sink. Kind of wipe my hands off here. Now I'm going to kind of straddle the toilet kind of like this, and if you look here, there's a little, what the hell I did. There we go. Just kidding. Just gonna kind of undo this nut here. And take this out. See? Watch, this thing will just pull right out. See? This nut is, I believe it is reverse threaded. So this is now going to go away. Here is the new one. Okay, let's go ahead and get this opened up. You can pick these up for about $4 to $5. This one is actually a pretty nice one. It's got like a bronze handle. It kind of matches some of the other crap in the bathroom. So I'm gonna, let's see here, take this nut off. Hope I don't drop it here. Pull this out. There's like a little washer on top there. And of course I drop it. It's okay. I'm just gonna kind of use this as like a quick little staging area for all the tools and stuff. And then now, see, this whole little thing kind of comes out. I'm guessing I don't need all of that kind of stuff. So, I'm gonna pull this nut back off here. There's a little rubberized piece that I think just kind of goes on there. And as you can see, that's just kind of how it fits. It fits in there flush. It's kind of square. But then I'm just going to thread this nut back on here. Okay. So I'm just trying to line this up and start turning. I can get my hand in there a little better. Won't be so bad. What the dealio. Okay. I tell you this in just about every one of my videos, nothing ever wants to work right whenever I'm doing the damn thing on camera. It's the pressure, YouTube. Yeah. Alright, looks like we got this nut on here going. Just gonna fasten this up against the toilet bowl. Okay, so obviously this will still come out, but the mounting piece is in place. So, okay, now what I think we gotta do here is put this screw through here, and put, it wouldn't make sense to go that way, but it would make sense to go that way. So we're going to take this little washer piece, put it back through there, put it down through here, slide it back in through that little piece, and then now use this wing nut here to kind of come up underneath and secure it. This is kind of difficult just because of this is kind of a tight space, but once I get this wing nut on here, should be smooth sailing after that. There we go. Wing nuts on. And before we finish snugging it up, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this chain and we're just going to hook it to this furthest point out here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes out here, so I'm going to try this number 5 hole, and so just kind of hook it to that, and voila, that's how you fix a little toilet handle. Now, like I said, what I'm going to go back and do is snug up these 2 nuts and bolts and start using this bathroom again. Till next time, Triple Tapper out, saying happy peeing and pooing.